In primetime news this evening, no basis in law. Attorney representing Ruel Reed and Fritz Pinnock makes another attempt for the charges against them to be dismissed. Jamaica slips to 43 in the Global Corruption Perception Index for 2019. And search continues for taxi driver who mowed down traffic cop.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Well, Janella, remember last year when the finance minister abolished asset taxes for non-financial institutions? Well, today financial institutions were given hope that 2020 might be their year for getting tax cuts. Well, I'll have the details later in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Karen at the sports desk for what's coming up in sports. Karen.
Well, Herman, as you know, it's an Olympic year, and with the Racers Grand Prix gaining gold level status on World Athletics Continental Tour, some athletic stars are set to light up the National Stadium track for this year's staging. I will tell you who's already confirmed later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question: what are your thoughts on the government spending $525 million on states of emergency this financial year?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.